Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? In this one I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox July box, which happens to be the Aloha box is in the house. You guys, I am living for the packaging, I'm living for the design, and I cannot wait to find out what kind of product we have in this box, because it's already exciting and interesting for me just looking, at the outer packaging, and I wonder what we have inside. Are you guys ready to find out? I am ready. Let's do it. All right, so the lid is off, and straight away we can see how the inside looks like that, of course. And one thing, you guys, I don't really watch other people's reviews before mine, so I always wait for my box to arrive and do my unboxing and find out what kind of product I received. After I review to you guys, then I can go ahead and watch other people's videos, because then I already know what I received, because I love surprises, so there's no point of watching other people's videos and spoiling that. Anyway, so in this box, you guys, I already know two products, because those were sneak peek from Glossybox that they posted on their social media, and yeah, I couldn't avoid seeing them because we're just like right on my feed, so I already know what kind of two products we're going to receive. But as for the rest, I have no idea, so let's jump into unboxing right now. Already. Oh, by the way, if some of you are watching my videos or visiting my channel for the very first time, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly tell you what Glossybox is all about. Now, Glossybox is a beauty monthly subscription. You pay 15 euro per month, or you can sign up for their 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And the longer period you sign up for, you save some money. So yeah, speaking of saving some money, I do have my referral link. If you guys want to use it, I'm going to leave it down below. If you want to sign up and save some money off your first box, definitely use my my referral link. I will appreciate that. All right, now let's go ahead and take what we have in here. So first thing we see is a magazine, which comes which looks like this, and that is the Aloha edition. Now in this magazine, we have the prices, we have the products that we have in our box for the month. So yeah, I'm going to be referring to this as I pull out the product and show you guys, so I can tell you how much they they retail for. All right, so inside, once the magazine is out, this is what we see. Looks like that. And I'm going to remove the sticker. And by the way, the box for this month, you guys, my box came a little bit late. Usually it was supposed to be here last week on Thursday or Friday, but I only received it today, which is of course July 14, and this is why I'm reviewing this a little bit later than I would have loved to. But anyway, it's here. Let's go ahead and find out. So the first product, which was of course a sneak peek, that we also is a bronzer. Now this one says here hashtag gives them la la, and you guys, the packaging is actually the same as the box, as you guys saw. Hold on, let me just put them side by side. Yeah, the packaging is the same there, as we can see, so that is cute. I like the packaging of the bronzer. But when I saw the sneak peek of this, my only issue, my only concern was, is the shade going to be actually the one that I usually go for? Is it going to be deep enough for my skin tone? So anyway, I'll go ahead and open it and show you, of course, the inside packaging itself. It's in the black compact, which of course looks like this. Hashtag gives them Lala Beauty, and I have never heard of this brand before. Have you guys have heard of this brand, give them Lala Beauty? Never heard of this. But anyway, so this one I believe is in the shade Ibiza, if that's how you pronounce it, right there. So that is the bronzer, and let me go ahead and open it. Okay. Oh, that's interesting shade. All right, something I wouldn't really go for, but that is the color, and straight away I can definitely tell that this is definitely not a shade that I would go for as a bronzer, because you guys, if you know me, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know what kind of shade I usually go for. For example, the Fenty Beauty, this shade here in the Mocha Mami, Mocha Mami, which looks a little bit more darker. Look at that. Look at the difference between the two. Yeah, definitely this is the one that I usually go for. But something light like this, I I'm not sure about this one as a bronzer, and it's just that all my bronzers are usually darker. In all honesty, you can even see the Patricia Bright, you know, X Revolution Beauty. See how dark the bronzer is in there. So those are the shades that I usually use. So this one I might either give it away, you know, to family members or for future giveaway. But anyway, that was our first product, the bronzer. Let's move on. Just pop the lid away. Let's move on to the next product, which I see here. Also, it was, you know, part of the sneak peek as well. It is a watermelon slice sheet mask from Costa, which is this one right here in this packaging. So that's how it looks like, and the back looks like this. We can see all the, you know, watermelon slices in there. So there are 12 of them. And what does it say? Moisturizing and refreshing. Okay, so 12 slices. And what does it say? Let's just reading at the back here what it says. Even though it's such a tiny writing, it says a face mask that hydrates and helps to refresh your skin. All right, so this is lovely. You can place them all over your face and leave them for 15 to 20 minutes, and then massage in the excess, you know, serum, which you can see the juice inside here. So massage that in. So that's what it says. And the way you place them is, you can see this picture here at the bottom. So you pop them like that all over the face. Now let's move on to the next product, which happened to be a deodorant. Oh, we are getting a deodorant. Okay, I didn't expect this one in this you know, box. But anyway, this one is from We Love the Planet, which comes in this packaging here. We Love the Planet. All right, what flavor is this? Forever Fresh. Ooh, that sounds like summer to me. Forever Fresh. Who doesn't want to stay forever fresh? I do want to stay forever fresh. So let's go ahead and open it and find out. Forever Fresh. The smell. Okay, so it's like a clear kind of, you know, finish, but that's how it looks like. It smells fresh for sure, but what scent is this? I can't really. Smells lovely, but not in a way that makes me excited, you know, that kind of scent. Not like that. It doesn't smell bad either, like, you know, but it's a little bit overpowering. I think I should just put it that way. You know what, I would have loved to get a different flavor for this one, because I see here they have, look, they have the orange one. I would have loved the orange one. See the middle one there, you know, that is the orange one right there in the middle. I would have loved to get this one here, you know, the orange. I think that would be a beautiful scent, you know, but apparently I was sent this one here. But anyway, I may try it and see how I like it. But that is our next product, and retails for €11.95, and we are getting 48 grams of product. And by the way, this is 100% you know, natural deodorant, as it says, and it contains no aluminium in here, which is quite lovely, and it keeps you fresh for a long period of time. All right, we'll be trying this, you know. Let's just try it, shall we? Let's just try it, because sometimes when you smell things like this and when you use it, it could be a different flavor, who knows. Anyway, all right, let's move on to the next product here, which I see is from Mordor, which is a gel liner in white, which is this one here, you guys. Mordor. All right, and it is in white. You can see the tip right there, and let's just apply some. Okay, it's dry, it's very creamy. It's like a creamy finish there, you know. I do have a white liner that I've been using, and yeah, I do love the finish. So I'm looking forward to be using this one, definitely, for sure. And what does that come with a sharpener? I'm trying to open here. Okay, it doesn't open. All right, but anyway, lovely. It feels quite creamy, and I'll be trying this and probably update you guys on how I like it. All right, moving on, we have a lipstick here from Alvede. All right, and this one is also a Natura cosmetic, and you can find this brand here when you go to Rossmann if you are based over here in Germany. Rossmann, or I think DM as well, they do, you know, carry this brand here. So yeah, they do specialize in natural cosmetics, and I do have quite a few of their lipstick. I do love them. I find them quite creamy, and they just, you know, they never disappoint me, and I do love the color selection that they have. So this one that I don't actually have this one here, I'll show you. First, let me show you the packaging. So the packaging looks like this. So that is the shade name right there. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, the color, it's beautiful. I do love the, you know, the shade, very summery, very bright. And I think if you love this kind of tone, you're gonna love this one. And yeah, I would definitely be, you know, looking forward to be using this one. And I already have something like this, not from the same brand, but from different brands. Of course, this shade here, it's not new to me. But let me quickly actually swatch it for you guys so you can see on how it looks like. It's a very creamy finish, that is for sure. You can see it over there, very, very creamy. And I do love this kind of shades, you know, especially for the summer, something bright, you know. Yeah, I definitely know I'm going to be rocking this one. All right, so this lipstick itself, which was a creamy lipstick, retails for, let's have a look for the price of this one. So this retails for €1.95, very affordable, but you know, natural ingredients, which is quite lovely. So yeah, all right, and it is, of course, contains 4.2 grams of product in here already. Let's move on to the last product, which happens to be a sample. Yeah, I think this, we don't even have the price for this one. They've just chucked it in there for sample. This one is from Hawaiian Tropical, and it is a satin protection sun lotion, which looks like this. Now it is a sample, like I said, you know. Let me just actually take it out from there. So it is this tiny product in here. Does contain SPF 15 in there, and this is just like a one-time use, really. And if you like the product, you can go ahead and, you know, buy a bigger. They do have like a bigger bottle here that I can see. And this one here, we get like they do have SPF 30 in them, you can see. But anyway, yeah, just for sample to try out. All right, and we don't have the price for this one. So that is that. And also the very interesting thing, you guys, we do get a sneak peek of the August box, which again, look at the sneak peek, you guys. That looks pink, looks beautiful. By the way, August, it is of course the Glossybox birthday month, so I am guessing and hoping that this box is going to wow us. It's going to just, like, you know, surprise us with, you know, amazing goodies in here. So yeah, definitely, if you you know, looking forward on trying Glossybox and all that stuff, yeah, check out my link down below, check out my code, and you can, you know, sign up and save some money off your first box, you know, so that, you know, maybe you can go ahead and get the August box as well. All right, everybody, that was everything which was in this box. Let's just go ahead and show them all. We have the watermelon mask, we have of course the deodorant here from We Love the Planet, which contains no aluminium. It's all fresh, it keeps you fresh. We have of course the liner here, the gel liner in the shade white, color white. And then we have the lipstick here, and we also have of course the bronzer, this one here. And then we have our sample. So those are everything that came in this month's box. Overall, I do love the product selection that we have in here. I mean, like I said, you know, it's a great way of trying some new product that I wouldn't even dream of buying for myself. You know, and you do get to try like a different brands that some of them you never heard about them before. So yeah, I do love my selection. I just wished that the bronzer was a little bit darker, you know, so that I will be able to use it. That is one thing that I wish this box you know, had a darker bronzer for me personally. Yeah, as for the rest of the product, yeah, we'll test them out. We'll test a mask grab on Instagram, or I don't know, we'll test them out, you know, update you guys. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet done so already, and ring your bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new exciting video. And yeah, it will mean a lot if you subscribe, please. All right, okay guys, that is it for this video. Go have a good one, take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next video. All right, bye for now.